suckers gonna march down here.
Vermin.
What's up, War Chief?
Let's get going. We gotta meet up with the new blood. He's waiting for us in the alley.
All right, let's go. So he's got skills?
He's a born writer, man. He'll get us up.
Yeah, but can he brawl? Don't matter how much talent he's got if he gets wrecked.
That's what we're about to find out. Let's go, little man. You can finish that burner later. Right now, we gotta see if you can bop. Listen, Rembrandt, you're here because you can lay a mean mark. But getting up in this city only gets you street cred. What makes a gang's rep heavy is how many suckers you can wreck. You ready to test your skills?
Let's do it. I'm ready.
All right, Rembrandt, some of our neighbors came by to help us out. I promised them some liquor, so they're gonna let you beat up on them for a bit. Rudy, get in there first. Let's see what kind of punch our writer's packing.
Come on, young buck. I'd like to see you do me in.
Do it, Rude! All for your booze!
I'm taking dukes from the little missus.
Come on, partner! Hang in there! We'll be
This
getting
is stupid.
free hooch!
I got dignity, you see?
Not bad, but you'll have to mix it up out there if you want to stay on your feet.
Lay off the liver. I got enough troubles with it.
Keep working him, Rembrandt. Don't stop.
I want to see something heavy, Rembrandt. Show me some force.
Don't lose no teeth. Need to keep Chomper going strong. Bruises ain't no way to drink with Rudy. Ah!
That's what I like to see, Rembrandt. Rudy's had enough. Get him out of here and give him his booze. The rest of you bums, get in here. You want your booze? You gotta work for it. Banging with us ain't no typical street fight, Rembrandt. It's gonna get crazy out there. So you gotta use your head or it's gonna get stomped. Always keep your space, watch your back, and make the most out of every opportunity.
Smack him around like you did to me. That's the boys. Rudy! 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 That's me!
All right, next up, weapons. If you ain't packing, then you gotta be resourceful out there. Try it out, little man.
Out of the face. Stop messing around! Now, bro! Aren't you gonna blow him up?
Hold on a minute. How you feel, man? You getting angry yet? Sometimes things get so crazy, all you got to go on is rage. It won't last.
I'm gonna lose it on you!
The boy can flex. Now let's see you waste these balls.
This kid learns quick. He's got some moves.
Stay down,
Come on,
boy.
Rembrandt. Show them how to rope. You got it, Rembrandt. Keep it up.
All right, it looks like you can handle yourself toe-to-toe. That'll only get you so far, my brother. You want to brawl with the Warriors? You gotta know how to rumble. Let's give the writer a real test.
I'm gonna murder your scrawny ass.
In your get mad, boy. Use it, man. Come on, use it on me. Son of a bitch.
Get ready to pump.
You wanna mess now?
I'm gonna murder your scrawny ass.
All right, that's enough. Looks like you can handle yourself out there, young blood. Let's go try on your new colors.
Hey, how do I look?
The vest is looking fine, but you're looking a little banged up, young blood. Hey, Vermin, why don't you take Rembrandt out and grab some flash?
I'm okay, really, Warlord. I'm fine.
Come on, Rembrandt. Let's break in those colors. I know a guy that'll fix you up. This side of Coney Island is all Warriors turf. The east side ain't, but we'll get into that later. Right now, we're gonna need some cash to get you fixed up. The way a warrior makes his bread is by mugging, stealing car radios, and doing smash and grabs. I want to see if you can handle this, Rembrandt. You dig?
I dig.
All right, smash your way into that store and take whatever you can find. And just ask me. Not bad, but let's see if you can rip off some car radios. Good. Now you see that guy over there? I want you to go mug that sucker.
Son of a bitch. Man, I want this fair and square.
All right, let's get going.
Hey, Vermin, I got everything you said.
Holy shit, that's a heavy score. You got some pretty slick skills, kid.
Thanks, man. Hey, we gonna go see that dealer now or what?
Look at you taking charge. Come on, follow my lead. Come on, Rembrandt, you gotta keep up. Looking good so far, kid. Keep it up. Come on, man, let's roll. See that window? Jump on through it. Trust me. break, come on! Almost there, just bust down that old fence. Here we are. Let's go talk to him.
Is that man? The flash don't bring no crash. Guaranteed.
See, you're feeling better already. Let's get back to the hangout and see what Cleon's up to.